Positive emotions give you a number of benefits that can actually help women when it comes to negotiations. When you experience positive emotions, you're more confident and more resilient. And positive emotions release chemicals in your brain that help you to organize and retrieve information. So we're actually smarter when we're positive. Positive emotions also broaden our thought and our mind. They help us think outside the box by opening us up to a wider range of ideas and thoughts. And this can be really helpful in the search for mutually beneficial solutions. So before entering into a negotiation, a really simple, easy thing that you can do is to think of a joyful memory. This will make you more positive and will improve the outcomes by boosting your confidence and your mental capacity and your creativity.